I got something to say. I never had White Castle. No, I never had a White Castle slider. For it being the first fast food chain to ever happen. That's what I heard. If I watched Undercover Boss, that's where I got that. That's where I heard that from. I never had a real White Castle slider. I've had those little things you get to put in the microwave, but I've heard from a lot of people that does not count until today. Thank you, Megan. I was given real White Castle sliders. I think this time on snack days, let's try it out. Let me try out the fry. Let me try out my slider. Let's do this. I like how this. I love. Goes to White Castle. I want to try that challenge though with Steelers Nerd. It's cool how they put the ketchup on there. That's really neat. Put some of that on there. Let me try the French fries first. Crinkle cut. Like a lot of crinkle cut fries, not really, I agree with a lot of people. From what I tried, nothing going on, not a lot of action, but you get along with it. It tastes pretty good. So let's try this out. This goes out to the first fast food restaurant. This goes out to you, White Castle. So much different than the microwave counterpart. You got taste. You got ketchup that they actually put on. They didn't ask for ketchup. I think it's really good. I think it's better than the microwavable counterpart.